Looks like you're gonna receive something here. A gift, might be a present, might be money, if that's what you want. But I think, kung ano man to may-receive mo na present, look at that scale. This will make you feel balanced. You could be seeing 333s a lot, could be 666 a lot, okay? But you are about to receive a gift. But there's a challenge. First, Five of Swords energy. This might look like a game. This might look like, what's this? This might, I'm getting that program word. So this might look like a program. This might look like, what's this? Planado kind of thing. Okay, but we're gonna take a look at that. Maybe it's like you're gonna play some kind of a game. Be strategic about it, and there's that big prize at the end of that when you finish it right. Okay, but of course, we're gonna take a look at, okay, kung anong klase ito. Yeah, you have to fight for this. Might be strategic, or wag kang kumawala rito, no? Sa determination. Okay? If you want to pursue something, pursue it 101%. Okay? Don't make atras. Okay? Let's go. Oh. Ilatag na muna natin lahat ng energy sa ating table bago natin simulang usisiin. Usisiin ng mga babes. Usisiin? Usisain mga babes. Ano, naiintindihan na yun ng mga old subscribers. May subscribers, huwag kayo mag-alala, no? Maa-adapt nyo rin yan. Pag nagpabalik-balik kayo rito sa channel na to. So, yan, no? Iligay na muna natin lahat, no? Bago na natin pag-usapan, no? Ng malaliman, okay, itong reading na ito. But destiny is involved here. Universe, your angels and spirit guides, your guardians, no? Malaki ang kinalaman nila rito. Okay? It's like this is a part of their plan for you. Okay? Wow, there's an offer. Look at that. This is the big hand here of the universe. Si universe ay may offer sa'yo. See? At itong offer na to looks like new. This is something here, no, na maaaring mukhang maliit or mukhang maaaring maguluhan ka at first or maaaring hindi mo tanggapin or makita mo to na parang maliit lang o potong opportunity na to at first. Pero wag ka. This is something big. It's part of the plan of the universe for your life. That's what I'm sensing. So let's keep moving. Yeah, see, look at that. See, the Four of Cups is present here. I'm hearing observe. Yeah, okay. Hey there, collective! Thank you so much. Patuloy at wala talaga ninyong patid na pagsuporta sa akin dito. And hi! And hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Thank you so much. Sana magstay kayo here with us. Yan, you might want to subscribe and hit that like or notification bell, okay? Para ma-update kayo, no? Kapag meron tayong uploads. And of course, thank you so much sa mga pabalik-balik kong mga subscribers dito, no? Just take only what resonates, okay? Hindi talaga ito para sa lahat. You may watch every reading inside this channel, but if you feel na hindi kayo kumukonect doon, huwag niyong ipagpatuloy ang papanood. Okay? Malinaw tayo doon, klaro tayo ron, no? Kasi if you do not feel that it is connecting to you, okay, in a very deep or spiritual level, then hindi yun for you. But if you feel naramdam mo talaga yung connection, no, ibig sabihin, no, maaaring ito ay parte, no, ng maaaring information na dapat mong marinig or dapat mong malaman. So, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here, mga babes. You can flip roles if you want because this is general reading. But as what I'm seeing right here, Hangman, Temperance energy, Three of Wands energy right in there, Seven of Cups, and there's that Moon card energy. What does that mean, Miss Yan? I'm sensing na magsisimulang mag-pop up, no, sa buhay mo ang mga uncomfortable situations. Mga unexpected or uncomfortable situations na maaaring magpaisip sa'yo, magdala ng confusion with the Seven of Cups to the Moon right here, and maaaring ikatakot mo rin, may pag-aalala rin dito na maranasan, no, a little bit of confusion lang naman at a little bit of fear coming from your side. Yung iba parang, ano ba yun? Parang, bakit? Parang may ganun tayong nakukuha, no? Pero alam mo ba, that with this hangman right here, temperance together with that three of wands energy, malaki ang kinalaman nitong unexpected events or mga magiging kaganapan na to sa future mo with that three of wands energy, which is, I do get right here that the reason of this reading is for you to be able na maintindihan mo ano ba tong nangyayari na to because the universe is so generous, no? Alam nyo, no? I'm the medium here, okay? And my role here is to tell you what is really happening to you guys. It's like the universe is giving you a hint that you do not need to worry, hindi mo kailangan mag-alala, hindi mo rin kailangan ritong mag-panic, no? Kapag ito ay nagsimula ng mangyari. Ano bang ibig mong sabihin, Miss Yan? With the hangman right here, you will be in this type of uncomfortable, hindi komportableng situation, like this one. Okay? Okay? So, maaaring ganito. Okay? May purpose yun kung ba't yun magsisimulang umappear sa buhay mo. Hindi yun wala lang because every event, every happening, every sequence is part of the universe plano para sa buhay mo. And with the hangman right here, ganito yan. Example, no? Example ko na lang yung sarili ko. Example ko sa sarili ko mga babes, no? Yan, no? Ako to, no, noon, ayan, no? Sumama ako, no, dun sa friend ko kasi meron dun na dance competition. Yan, no? Siya yung the judge doon. Yan, no? Sa isang dance competition na yan. And it so happened, no, na bago magsimula yung dance competition na yun, okay, sumakit yung tiyan niya. Sumakit yung tiyan niya. Okay, pero judge siya. Like literally. And then, yung sakit ng tiyan niya, no, let's say, pasintabi sa mga kumakain na nagka-LBM siya. Okay? At ang hirap na umupo doon sa alis na naman, balik tas alis. Eh, it's a competition, isn't it? Diba? And then there's this friend of mine telling me, ako na lang daw yung mag-judge. Are you kidding? Hindi ako sumasayaw at sumasayaw ako sa bahay lang namin, 'no, mas lalo sa banyo lang, okey. At hindi rin ako mga babes, 'no, hindi naman sa 'di ba, for me to be able to judge in a dance contest, 'no, may experience ako, 'no, na sumasayaw ako pero for me to be able to judge in a competition like that, 'no, siyempre, huh? 'Di ba? So, it's uncomfortable for me, no, na, ano, anong gagawin ko, parang utok eh, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, blah, 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 and all of these things, no. Yun, no. Pero alam mo, after that, okay, naitawid naman. Naitawid naman. After that, okay, that uncomfortable situation, okay, alam mo yun, it brought me something, no? Na parang ako to na parang gusto ko magkaroon kasi gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng mga friends, no? Like mga new connections that time, no? Like getting to know other people naman, no? New friendships, no? Doon nagkaroon pala ako ng mga new friends na friends ko pa rin until now. And they're still with me. So see, you will be okay in that type of situation wherein dun ka rin pala dadalhin, no? Sa isa sa mga gusto mong mangyari sa'yo. Okay? That of course, syempre example yun. 'Di ba? See? Yung mga uncomfortable na situation na yan ang magdadala pala sa'yo, no, dun sa bagay na gusto mo. Pero syempre, that is just my example. So, whether whatever it is in your case, I think this has something to do with your desires, your dreams and goals in life. Okay? So, nakikita ko, no, na parang grab each and every opportunity that will show up and don't be scared because nangyayari yan hindi para parusahan ka or hindi para ikaw ay linlangin or lituhin kasi hindi yan ang role ni universe sa buhay mo. The universe role is for you to be redirected to the pathway kung saan ka talaga dapat na mapunta at maglakad, no? So if you are mga babes, no, feeling something uncomfortable, no, grab it. Kasi meron dun eh, okay, na dadalhin ka niyan, no, little by little, okay, with this Six of Swords energy, doon sa talagang destiny mo. Destination mo talaga. Okay? So, ikaw to, no? Let's just say another example, no? Isip tayo, iba naman, no? Let's just say ikaw to na sabihin na natin, okay, graduation, no? Graduation. Eh, yung pinaka nakakuha, no, ng valedictorian na position, sabihin na natin, no, hindi siya makakapag-speech kasi kumati yung lalamunan niya, no, to the point na malat pa siya, no, yes. No, tapos ikaw na lang yung mag-i-speech, no, next sa kanya. Okay? So, ikaw to na, ay, nahihiya ako, blah, 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 and all of these things, no? And this is you, hindi mo naiintindihan, ayoko nga humarap sa maraming tao, okay na ako dito, may na-receive na akong award, blah, blah, blah. And this is you, anong kagandahan doon? 'Di ba? You will eventually see that when you start talking, dun lang pala parang nakakaba. Pero kapag kinikwento mo na, no, yung experience mo, yung achievement mo, no, ikaw ay isang salutatorian or whatever, example lang to, no, dun na parang gumagaan yung pakiramdam mo at sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam kasi yun yung fear mo to talk in front of people. 'Di ba? A lot of people, no? Ano nangyari doon? Na-boost mo yung confidence mo, no? Yung confidence mo nadagdagan, hindi ka na ganun kahiyain, no? Ayan, no? Little things yun, pero magte-take yun dun sa kung ano yung mga desires mo in life, no? Lalo na kung ikaw to that you're looking and wanting success in your future. 'Di ba? Ikaw to na gusto mo ritong makilala because of your job, because of your work, no? At gusto rito ni universe na i-embodies pa lamang yan habang ikaw ay bata pa. Okay, binubus niya na yung confidence mo rito para i-direct ka rin dun, 'di ba? Dun sa success na gusto mo, okay? Mashi-share mo with other people yung success mo sa trabaho, paano ka nakarating sa ganyang klase ng higher position, higher honor with authority. See? Little by little, konektado yan sa lahat ng mga pangyayari rito sa magiging future mo. Lahat ng nangyayari na yan, no? Pati yan yung pagkaiwan sa'yo ng bus. Bakit hindi ka nakasakay dun sa bus? Okay? Kasi hindi dun yung destination mo. It's not part of your destination. Okay? Pero as you can see, lahat ng yan na mga doors of events, no, yan ay magdadala pa rin sa'yo doon sa mga bagay na hinahangad mo, pinapangarap mo, dinedesire mo. See? The universe is guiding you. Kaya pag may nag-show up na opportunity, go ahead, no? Always say yes. Grab that opportunity. Show the universe how determined you are. Parang, alam ko test lang to sa akin ni universe. Alam ko challenge lang to sa akin ni universe eh. Gagawin ko lahat ng to. Yeah, the universe wants you to trust on this one. Go with the flow, okay? And accept every opportunity. Huwag kang matakot, no? Huwag mong i-miss tong opportunity na to. Your advice is do not miss this opportunity right here. Queen of Cups energy, use your intuition, okay? Kasi alam mo, yung intuition mo, kapag ang sinasabi niyan, no, is wag mo tong gawin or negative yung nagiging response, no? Iba kasi yung nervous, no? Yung kinakabahan ka lang kasi, example, no? Ayaw mo humarap sa maraming tao kasi nahihiya ka, no? Iba yun, no? So this one, okay, if you feel na wala namang masama rito, and your intuition here is telling you na kaya mo naman talaga tong gawin, okay, go. Okay? Malalaman mo naman yan eh. If you feel yung intuition mo is parang negative yung nararamdaman mo, like literally, pwede ka ritong mapahamak or maaksidente, no? Then don't do it. Iba yun. Ibig sabihin, hindi yun part of the plan ni universe. Okay? So whatever the case may be, use your intuition. Okay? When an opportunity shows up, at wala naman tayong nakikitang masama about that, okay? Grab that opportunity because when you open that door, you accepted the challenge, another door opens, and another one opens, okay? And the next thing na hindi mo alam, what if the next door is yun na pala yung dinidesire mo? See? It's a process. It's progress. 'Di ba? So, yun mga babes, no? So, lahat ng yan mag-show up kasi may dahilan. No? Kasi gustong ibigay sa iyo ni universe itong bagay na hinihiling mo. With this Ace of Pentacles energy, this is something here, no? Na alam mong kapag nakuha mo yan, kontento na ako. Like, wala na akong gustong makuha pa in life, okay na ako dito. Because I think this is, alam mo yun, isa sa pinakamalalaking pangarap mo sa buhay mo. Okay? Universe advice for you as well is to observe. Be aware of your surroundings. Understand the signs and clues that you're seeing. Have faith and go with the flow. Trust them kung saan ka nila dadalhin. Kasi kapag nakinig ka sa intuition mo, hindi ka maliligaw. When you listen to your mind, ibig sabihin you listen to fear. You listen here dun sa mga parang doubts at fears, 'di ba? But if you listen here to your intuition, you are in alignment with your soul, you are in alignment with your emotions and feelings, as well as you are also aligned with your mind. So, there's this complete combination here. Diba? So, kapag meron ditong isang sitwasyon na hindi ka komportable doon, no? Like you've never had tried that one, pero wala ka namang nararamdaman na something na parang, pahamak ka dyan or whatever, no? Then do it because you might not know if that door, okay, is yun na pala yung umpisa, no? Para dalhin ka sa kung saan ka talaga rito dapat na mapunta. 'Di ba? Pero ako, sure na sure ako kung saan ka mapupunta rito. Dun sa kung ano yung gusto mo ritong makuha in the future. See? Just go with the flow. Destiny wants to reveal to you. Okay? Kung ano yung mga naghihintay para sa'yo. Okay? Show them that you deserve all of these things. Diba? So, ang taray, no? Sometimes, may mga bagay talaga na parang ayaw ko yun gawin kasi feeling ko nakakahiya yan or ayaw ko yun gawin kasi hindi ako komportable dyan. But no, accept that. Okay? That is part of the trail. Okay? 'Di ba? Ikaw nga pag pupunta ka sa trabaho, alam mo kung saan ka pupunta, 'di ba? O memorize mo, 'di ba? O sasakay ka muna ng tricycle, tapos baba ka doon sa may pilahan ng jeep, no? Tapos pila ka doon, no? Tapos pagbaba mo doon, pedicab ka, no? Alam mo yung way, eh. No? The universe also, okay, gusto ka nilang dalhin dyan sa path na yan kung saan mo gusto talagang pumunta. Okay? Let me just ask you, ikaw, hindi mo alam, gusto mo lang yung bagay na yan. Let's talk about this wish of yours. Gusto mo lang yung bagay na yan, pero alam mo ba specifically kung paano mo yan makukuha? Hindi. Pero the universe knows kung paano mo yan makukuha in a very exciting way na para ka ritong kumuha pa ng mga iba-ibang freebies kagaya ng adding up your confidence, tips para mas mapalago mo pa yan, ano man yan, no? Commitment, relationship that you're craving for, that high honor with authority, designation, position, that business, dream business, anything that you want. Diba? Alam yan ni universe kung paano ka dyan dadalhin. Kaya naman, no, yung mga opportunities na ipapakita sa'yo, don't be scared. Okay? Just open that door and go give it a try. Okay? Open that door, give it a try. Okay? At isipin mo, no, na itong bawat oportunidad na to na bubuksan at pauunlakan mo ay magdadala sa'yo sa destination mo. Okay? Nakita ko dito that this is your justice. You are about to receive your justice. You're about to receive here your good karma. Ganda guys, very inspiring, very inspiring. Okay? So yeah, ganun, no? Samahan nyo ng dasal, okay? Yun na nakikita ko dito for you, collective. So thank you so much. Sana ngayong love and light.